At Atlas International, long-term partnerships are the core of our success. 5 years ago, Letto Foods of Macedonia chose Atlas for their corn chips and packaging machines. Now, they're back, this time to power their popcorn production. At the Atlas Demo Center in Gaziantep, the Letto team tested the PCL150 popcorn line hands-on. High output, flawless function, and the same Atlas reliability they've trusted for years.
Atlas Extrusion'dan 5 yıl önce mısır cipsi hattı ve onun paketlemesini satın aldık. Hattan çok memnun kaldığımız için popcorn hattını da onlardan almaya karar verdik. Bizi Atlas hakkında en çok mutlu eden şeylerden birisi de kendilerinin 7/24 sunduğu servistir.
Letto Foods joins hundreds of food manufacturers in over 90 countries who trust Atlas for high-performance snack lines and full-service support over years. Book your hands-on demo at Atlas today and take your production to the next level.